Here now with a look at the possibility of ice jams here in West Michigan.
Yeah, so a couple of years ago we saw ice jam, and this is the type of weather that we need for some of our freeze-up ice jams. Steady cold. And this is something that we usually see much earlier in the season, but it's been delayed. This week of weather with temperatures solidly topping out in the teens and even single digits is going to set the stage for more and more ice to form in some of our local rivers. We're already starting to see that. Take, for example, South Haven. You can see the channel, which attaches to the Black River, and earlier, even today, we had some waves popping through the channel, but now it's just coated in ice as it's starting to thicken up. Now, a lot of times these pieces of ice form on the rivers and they stay put until they get caught in a current, and then occasionally some of those chunks of ice can stack up against each other, and what this does is it creates a jam up of ice, and it can create an actual dam in the current of water. So when this happens, you can have rapid flooding happening very quickly across the riverbeds and banks. So ice jams are possible as we go through the week ahead. And again, ice jams can cause fast and sometimes extensive flooding. Usually we see the worst ice jams in the spring when things start to thaw, but we could see them at any point in time in the winter season. I want to show you a video from 2019. This is actually the 2-year anniversary of an ice jam in Portland, Michigan. During that time, the flooding caused an evacuation of 50 people along the river, and it caused some businesses to evacuate as well. Some of the flooding lasted for about 3 weeks. And there you have the video there. You can see the chunks of ice floating along the Grand. Again, this was a big deal and a big flood. So if you start to see a rapid increase or rise in floodwaters, make sure to contact authorities and let us know here at Wood TV 2.